Hi everyone. This video is about VRAP, introduction to VRAP, and you may need this for your project in ECE470, and this is a simulation software for your robots. And as you can see, the left corner here is about your vision camera. Click on this button. This is camera translation, and click on the floor. You can move your camera in this way. And for rotation, click on floor, and you will rotate about this point. And these two buttons is for the objects. For example, if you place a robot arm here, this is rotation, and you can set the rotation axis here about y-axis and about x-axis, and also you can like change it with some exact numbers if you have the numbers. For this one, this is translation. It works in the same way as the rotation, and also there's like we can find the robot arms that we use in the lab in the robot non-mobile folder and scroll down to the bottom. This is UR10, UR3, and UR5, and we use UR3 in our lab, but we use like our group use UR5 our final project because the range of motion is much larger than UR3. And also there are some other things like furniture, household you can use to decorate your project. And it may be helpful for you to have a look on some provided things. It's pretty fun. The project is pretty fancy actually. Like this project is about blob detection. You can click this button to start your simulation and this one to stop. And you can also like speed it up and slow it down with these buttons. Uh, let's have a look on our final project. So yeah, our full final project is not that fancy. As you can see, this is a list about the object we use in our project. Like UR5, UR5, and UR5 is three robot arms, and there are some components under this one. You can edit and change this if you want in your project. And as you can see, there's a conveyor belt, and this is a script. You can click this little button to open the script for your objects. And this line is for the sensor. This simulation get object handle will return the reading value of the sensors, and we use the sensor to control the belt. And as you can see, the if statement is about stopping the conveyors. If you want to, it is pretty convenient and clear to combine your sensor with some object. Like if you want to use it conveyor, just set it, combine it with your belt. And if you want to use it in your like card, you just combine it with them. Like this is drop sensor. The most important thing about the sensors is this is we have to use this API to get the value of the sensor. This is like IOUA programming. You may not have not heard about this, and you can just search some videos on YouTube. It's not that hard to learn, and as you can see, there are some main functions to actuate the objects. Like personally, I recommend use IOUA because it is pretty like complicated and useless to import a Python script. But if you are good at Python, you can just use a Python and use the API provided on the website to like import your Python script. Also, if you want to save your project, just click on the File button and Save Theme. It will save in the form of TTT file, so make sure you have that